Alright, so here's a basic rundown of how I do my rust repair. So first you're going to need a WD-40, you're going to need a wire brush. I prefer a hard type of metal like steel to get a lot of the paint and stuff uncovered. And then you don't need a knife, but I have one, so I use it to chip away the paint. This is a rusty piece of metal right here, and if there was paint on it, I would take my knife and scrape off away the paint around that rusty area so that it exposes all the rust that I can see. And you could probably skip this step and just go straight to the wire brush and WD-40. The next step for me would be spraying WD-40 on those areas and taking the wire brush and going over it for probably about, it depends on how rusty it is, but I usually go from 30 seconds to a minute depending on the area. This is really simple and it can take maybe $10 to do if you get a small bottle of WD-40, and it really makes your metal pop out again. It looks like bare metal underneath after you're done. So it's definitely a good thing to do if you have a rusty mower. This mower is probably the rustiest mower that I've done, and it looked really great afterwards. I didn't paint it, but I kept it bare metal. And that's just showing you what it'll look like after you're done. So this is the before and after. You can see all the rust on the sides and how dirty it is. And that's the after, it's all shiny, bare metal. Alright, we're gonna do some rust and paint repair in a way. First I'm gonna go around and scrape all the paint that's covering the rust, like all that peely paint with the knife. You can see before. This is after scraping off all the paint with rust underneath. I didn't do the handlebars yet.